Coming to must know things before starting up. From my learnings, I have tried to put key points which might help you when you start execution. Founders or the founding team is responsible for the entire execution of ideas. That's why it's very important to design a business model canvas to understand what all skill sets are required to run the business. And then one should look for co-founders, and it helps companies to survive in tough times. That's why the dynamics of founders becomes important. And if founders know each other from long time with appropriate skill set, it becomes great journey. But what I believe is from the day you are going all out, one should hire a legal advisor and should follow all the compliances. One of the most important part, this preserve cash is actually the mantra for all big companies, as any startup can't last more if they don't have cash. All the battles are won by last man standing. So founders who have learned the basic of preserving cash and knowing when to spend would last long. Handling mentors or investors is very important. Time which is common to you and your mentor is important. So while onboarding a mentor or investor, you should be clear about what you are expecting from them. Go in the market, start implementing your minimum viable product, and ultimately things need to be executed. Coming to opportunities of COVID, we all know personal protective equipment need has increased exponentially. So any design innovation in this industry will last forever. Supply chain industry has always been people driven, and it's so unorganized. COVID-19 has brought the focus on this industry like never before. One great change we will be seeing in the hygiene segment. Many new startups will emerge in this sector, and people will more focus on this. Pharma industry will become more digital, from increase in online consultation to medicine delivery to having van hospitals which will reach to customers. And this will also might help in auto sector also. VRAR startups are already there, but this COVID-19 has brought the spotlight on this sector. People will fear in public gatherings. AR/VR startups will provide the community feel in virtual world. EdTech startups were already growing in India, but now COVID-19 have made these startups reach masses. Traditional schools in many cities have shifted to digital classes, and now the personalization and more opportunities will open up. I guess this is the right time to start preparing innovative solutions in the manufacturing field. Traditional players have lost their edge because of COVID-19. They have a lot of cash issues right now. There will be great opportunities that Indians might start purchasing goods made in India. Already many countries are thinking to move their manufacturing units to other countries. If we can create an ecosystem for having these companies enter India, it can also yield us good revenue opportunities. Insurance sector would see a boom, though there are startups in insurance segment who are digitizing the traditional insurance industry, but no one has thought in redefining this insurance industry or having new insurances which could last for a day or for even for an hour, who are people who are delivering foods. So there are a lot of opportunities which COVID will bring.